You love Papa? Do you want to go to where? You want to go to see Papa?
Yes.
The gate closed or not?
Yes.
Tomorrow? Tomorrow what?
Until tomorrow is all be raining.
Huh?
Will it be raining?
It will be raining.
Yeah.
And then can we go to Papa place or not?
No.
No.
I cannot. And tomorrow no Friday not raining.
Friday not raining. Okay. So we can go. You said you sad or what? Why you sad, Leo? You love Papa. Where's Papa now? Papa in heaven, yeah. Papa love Lolo or not? Papa love Lolo or not? Love Leo. Papa call you what name?
Leo.
For Leo, yeah. Okay.
Come here, come here.
Oh, Papa ask you to come here, yeah.
Yeah.
And then take picture together, yeah.
Let's go.
Go see Papa, yeah. Right. Cuddle Papa, yeah.
Kind of.
Good boy.
Hello.